How to log in Trust Wallet on your desktop. So if you want to log into your Trust Wallet account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Trust Wallet sign in. And once you've searched for Trust Wallet sign in, here you will have web login. Click on that under the trustwallet.com, and here you can go for the login, which is on the upper right. And now to log into your account, first you need to enter your email or your username of your Trust Wallet account. But you can also create an account if you don't have an account by going to create your account. And if you already have an account and if you want to log in, then first enter your email and username and then your password on the next blank. And if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot my password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then enter your password and click on login. And once you click on login, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Trust Wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.